Hi guys, how are you? My name is Cyprian and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a bit of snow driving and ice driving in northern Montana, close to Great Falls, on I-15 going north. Slippery roads, nasty conditions, and you'll need luck too. Luck, like in this situation, when I'm going up the hill, I can't slow down because I'm going down and then up. I'm taking the advantage of the downhill to build up momentum to put me up on the hill, yeah? Because if I'm going to slow down, who knows? It will be ice, slippery, and I'm not going to make it down the hill. Lots of drivers that I saw in Canada as well, when they are seeing that the road goes down and then up again, almost in a straight line, they are slowing down. It's not the way to do it, because when you are going straight, that's okay. Keep it straight. Don't hassle the steering, the brakes, even the accelerator. Keep it smooth. Let it flow. And the momentum will going to put you up the hill. Because for sure you're going to go down, but you don't know for sure if you're going to go up with a truck. Yeah? So let's see. I have some miles or no? It shows me I have 46 miles to Great Falls, but yeah, that's accurate. I burned loads of time. I've burned on this road, and although now the delivery appointment is not that important like the safety on the road, still I'm thinking that I'm going to miss another trip going back to LA from Edmonton, Canada, and that will not going to make me happy, and my budget will not be happy about that. But better safe than sorry. If I'll make it, I'll make it. If not, it is what it is. Yeah. And from Edmonton to LA, I think I'm going to load paper, so even if I'm going to be delayed 2 days for a reset, that I think still will going to be fine. Hope so. And yeah, so nice views. Let's admire the views, although the road it's slick and treacherous, yeah? Treacherous. Still we'll have to admire the views and remain calm. That's the main important thing. Remain calm and act. If you feel some movement sideways of the car, act. Don't just panic. Okay, I have like a word when I'm driving on ice. I have up my ass even the hunter. So I have inside the carrot, the bunny, and the hunter. It's not a nice feeling to drive on some surface that you don't have control of your vehicle, but keep it straight, as straight as you can, and everything will going to be okay. And when you're going to go down, gently, you can, if you are straight, gently press the brake. I saw some situations when trucks, the Rams and Silverados, those type of trucks, they lost grip on their rear axle because the road was slick, and probably they used cruise control, or maybe they accelerate suddenly and they kept the foot on the accelerator when they felt that the car was going sideways. At least lift your feet from the accelerator and try to steer towards the tail, yeah? Where the tail is taking you, steer that way. At least with a small car, I'm doing like that. And to tell you the truth, sometimes I like to play. Going sideways with the car and trying to stabilize, to keep the control, yeah? The direction. But with these new cars, you'll have to cancel loads of systems to be able to put it sideways. They are good, but the drivers, they have a failure in the systems. The drivers from our days, they don't know what to do because they are used to not act. They don't know what to do because of those systems, yeah? Yeah, so let's see, yeah, 42 miles away from Great Falls on I-15. I'm crossing now Missouri River. So Missouri River. And what I'm doing sometimes, but it's not okay. If it's no traffic, you can cut it. Cut the curve, yeah? The G-force on the truck, on the vehicle will not be that powerful, and you're not going to lose the grip that easily. Depends the speed that you are taking the curve, yeah? Cutting the curve, I don't know. I know that it's not okay, it's dangerous, but sometimes you have to do what you have to do, and if you know how to do it, my opinion is just do it. If you don't know how to do it, then stick to the curve, yeah? Yeah. Yeah. So I'm going to arrive in Regina, and there it's going to be minus 30 degrees Celsius, minus 30. Oopsie daisy, I did it. You saw it online. No, sorry, live. You saw it how I did it. Sorry, but it is what it is. So now we're going to go up the hill. And what I don't like when I have in front four-wheelers, because you have grip, you're not that heavy, and it's not that much of a hassle to go up the hill. For me, it will going to be, and if you're going to slow down in front of a truck, that guy will not going to be happy because he will going to lose the momentum, and maybe he will going to lose the grip that he needs to go up So if you're a four-wheeler driving on interstate and you are going up the hill in snowy condition and you see a truck, a semi coming behind you, just move on the second lane and let that guy go, because he's just trying to put it up the hill. It's the only thing that that guy tries, to make it up the hill. That's why he's speeding, like you say, yeah? Actually, he's not speeding, but he struggles to go up and not to get stuck and be fined by the people in charge. Yeah. So hopefully the snow will going to clear from the road and I will be able to make it on time for my delivery. Here is the tricky, yeah? I don't have snow on my lane, but I know that it was raining with ice and the surface can be icy like a skating park, yeah? Like some skating arena. That's why I'm cutting, not to put that much G-force on the wheels and to make them lose the grip. If you think I'm not right, please comment down below and show me the finger, show me anything that you want. I'm still going to make it. Here is more treacherous. A carved bridge. That's mind-blowing. What? Why you did a carved bridge? Do the road in some other shape than a curved bridge. That bridge is so dangerous, yeah? It could be icy as hell. Because the cold air comes beneath the bridge and we're going to make any moisture on top freeze in a minute. And in this case, I prefer to drive on snow than on that lane that I don't know how slippery it is or it's not, but I prefer to stay on snow. If you have good tires, those tires are going to give you grip on snow. On ice, you can have even those, how you call them, studded tires. Yeah, studded tires still will not going to help you on ice. Those are for snow too. Like chains are for snow. They are called snow chains, not ice chains. On ice, you're going to slip with those on stone. Maybe we're going to make you go up the hill because it is going to break the ice, sorry. That's the only reason actually that they will allow you to go up the hill with the truck. They will going to break the ice. Oopsie daisy, this curve, it's a deep one. And in this deep curve, bad things can happen. Now if I'm going to lose the traction from the steer wheels, I'm going to go straight in left side, straight into the panel. Yep. Pedal to the metal. Let's go. Let's have some snow. Hey, going up. Let's see now. And what I like to do when I'm going up the hill and my RPMs are low, I don't like that, and I'm changing in a lower gear that will put my RPM high. If I'm going to start to spin the wheels, they will not going to spin that powerful, because already I'm in higher low RPMs, yeah. And again, lower. Let's see. No spinning. That's good. No spinning yet, but who knows? Yeah. So let's see how far I am from my. No internet here. I wanted to see how many kilometers I have left. How many miles? Actually, it shows me miles. So the guys that are watching from Romania, what do you think about the roads? Don't judge the Romanian government anymore that they are not clearing the roads in the winter in Romania, because in the US that happens too. So this is tricky, yeah? I'm going down the hill and I have a steep descent, and I don't want to make it fast because I'm not sure what we're going to meet. And although I can see the road, so it might be okay. Now I'm going to let it go.
Your route may be affected.
Go!
Route takes major roads. Detours not recommended.
Go, D Silver! Even I'm going to press the accelerator, not here on the bridge. Still okay. Go, pedal to the metal. Go up. Go, go, Silver, go! So, how many miles do I have left? 561 miles. I don't know, guys. I don't know. And hours left on my clock, 8.
Your route may be affected by winter
8:40.
Route takes major roads. Detours not recommended.
Yeah. I'm not going to make it. La 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 la. So that was a small part of the snowy, icy, messy road from Montana. That will going to make me delayed me, and it is what it is. Yeah. So take care, stay safe, warm, and peace. Bye.